Hi guys, welcome to my labor story. I just came from church. It is October 11th, Sunday, and I'm due tomorrow. I lost a little bit of fluid last night, but I'm not certain if it was my water that broke or not. But just to be safe, I'm at the hospital now, just getting checked up. It might not be, but just so I could enjoy Thanksgiving, I just want to make sure that everything is good. So stay tuned. I'll keep you guys posted. You guys, once you're watching, you'll get to see the full labor story. I just want her to come and be safe and healthy, likewise myself. Anyways, stay tuned for the whole labor vlog. So I'm just waiting on the doctor to come see me, and I'll keep you guys posted. Okay guys, so baby girl is late and I am going for a walk. Everybody say you need to walk to induce labor. Somewhere in the middle of this video I'll be crying.
Really small.
You think so? And I'm hoping she weighs 7 pounds. I don't want her to weigh less. But you guys will find out all the details when she's here.
How long you go walk?
30 minutes.
I'm sailing in the wind. What a wonderful feeling. Are you here? I sing that. I'm happy as can be. That's the other side. That's Dartmouth. We're in Halifax. You know, cool.
Yeah, but I'm ready for her to come.
Yo, what that Britts already do?
Why are you so close? Comment down below and tell me if you guys think this walk will do it. Get her to come. Today is October 15th. Her due date was October 12th. Alright, I don't want them to be busted. I'll see them when. Okay guys, so today is Sunday, October 18th. I'm way past my due date, but I'm still walking. So this is what we're walking. I walk all the way around. Hopefully that will encourage baby girl to come, but I'm walking. So stay tuned for when she's actually here. Yeah, it's relaxing. It's really relaxing, so it's not too bad.
This is the lap up to that side, and then go around the street and come back down from that side.
It's the hardest part, going uphill. Like this video, I'm putting in the work. Went over. That's the hard part.
You did record the things them way you do so far?
Like what?
We get the baby out. Tell the camera what you do.
I eat dates. They said dates work and castor oil. But none of them never seem to work.
Yeah, let's see if we can get pineapple juice down here, sir.
Okay, there's a store. Do you have your wallet?
Yeah.
Okay. Cross?
Yeah, we can cross. Wait,
Oh, should I just go up the crosswalk?
yeah, might as well just go up this.
Yes, sir.
Hi.
Drunk.
almost half a bottle of castor oil. It just gave me the runs, that's it. And now we have pineapple, and I'm walking, so nobody can say I never tried my best to get her to come on time. I might be induced in 3 days, but I feel comfortable that I did everything. Hi there. Hello.
Hey.
Let's see if Lawtons have pineapple juice. Huh. What if they don't have it?
Oh, you did have mask?
No.
Let me check it. Things couldn't be in there.
You have to go in and explain. Say it's an emergency. They probably make you buy one. Ask her if she have one.
Oh. You guys have this face mask? I
Yes.
forgot. Oh.
So, there's these ones and there's those ones.
Okay.
So,
I'll just get this one.
alright.
So just for that. And you guys wouldn't have pineapple juice with pineapple juice?
No.
No?
We have pineapple pop, but that's not pineapple juice. And debit?
Yeah. They said they don't have pineapple juice.
Oh my god.
So where you go?
In meat. I'm not sure if them have it, but at least, yeah. We have mask now though. Whew. Convenience store. Oh, they have these though. I think I'll get the dice one.
Oh.
Have it pick up too. Try to
None, no?
yeah, oranges.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright guys, so I feel like I might have to go in a couple hours because I'm feeling a lot of pain now. I'm gonna lay down, drink some tea, and just wait until the contractions increase. I just got a medication for induction. Baby wants help. Say hi. Wave. Sky, wave. Wave at the camera.
No.
Okay. Alright guys, so I'll see you guys and update you guys on what's happening, but I'm in a lot of pain already, so this is a good sign.
Experience contraction.
We're gonna leave soon.
Breathe. Breathe. Deep breath. Stick it in. Deep breath. Baby's ready to go, fully dilated, almost there, Nova. Mommy's in a lot of pain though. Sorry for her.
It's at 5 centimeters. I'm gonna try to get an epidural.
So we're getting ready to go upstairs. She's ready for the second lap. Ready, babe?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, see you guys upstairs. Nova's here. Nova.
I was just gonna do this. Wait for everything.
It's a real calm.
Oh, my baby's coming in this. Okay. Well, I'm business. Wait. You can take a little look, my dear. 19th, right?
Yeah.
Happy? You're in love again.
Alright, so we're about to leave the hospital today.
Yay.
Today is the 21st, so we stayed here 2 days.
Yeah, it wasn't too long, but this is where we stayed. That was Shaun's
We
bed.
can't leave without.
That was my bed.
Can't leave without this.
Yeah, this is an important step.
We have to get it confirmed.
That we're approved to take her. Alright.
That everything of it right.
We're out of here.
She's so small, she is. Look at her cute, they're so small. Look at her face.
Keep on after that.
Hear her big sis? Yeah.